What's going on, everybody? Seeley here. Today we are in Denver, Colorado. I'm with my homie
Ren Henricks.
and we are going to do a photo shoot today. What are we doing? What are we doing today?
We are going to show you how to set up a shot 5 different ways using only 2 lights. Not quite sure which lights. That's your department.
Yeah, that's what we're going to do today. My studio mate is from Puerto Rico, so we're going to teach you how to say hello, how are you in Puerto Rican. Chu,
Okay.
pa,
Chupa.
chupa,
Chupa.
mi,
Mi.
ver,
Ver.
ga.
Ga. Chupa. Mi. Gerla.
No, not gerba. Ver, verga.
All right, one more time.
Chupa,
Chupa.
mi, verga.
Chupa mi verga.
Say it faster.
Chupa mi verga.
One more time.
Chupa mi verga.
That's how you say hello. Okay, guys, let's get started. All right, so pop your hips off to the side, right there. Chin down a little more. Let's pop your hips over to the other side, right there. Good, don't have you turn your face to your left, right there. Bring your left shoulder to me, right there, perfect. Chin up a little more, good. Let's work that chain a little bit. Yep, perfect. Good, right there, perfect, load the shoulders. Yep, bring the elbows out a little more, right there. Chin down. Good, push all the hair over to one side. Actually, let's have you turn your whole body facing this way. Good, push all the hair behind you. Right there, perfect. Nice and full. Let's take a step forward, right foot forward, left foot back, swap. Right there, perfect, good. Ooh, yeah, just like that. Perfect, love the hand. Hold, hang tight. Don't block your face with that left hand. Right there. Good, bend that right leg. Good, lean back a little bit more, upper body lean back, right there. Chin down, turn your face more to your left, right there. Push all the hair behind you. Good, on that right hand, ooh, right there. Hold it. Do the same thing, but put more weight on that back leg. Right there. Push both shoulders forward, especially that right shoulder. Shoulders forward. Right there, a little more. Push forward a little more. Lean upper body back. Right there. All right, relax. This is gonna be light set number 2. Turn your body facing more towards me. All right, I'm also gonna increase the power on both lights and go all the way to high. I'm gonna zoom a little more, hang tight. All right, turn your whole body facing this way. Let's go a bit taller. This main light's gonna be up above. Take both hands up to the hair, like that, just like that, good. Want to see, bring that right elbow out to the side, good. Arch the back, turn the face more to your left. Rotate chest more to me, right there. Now turn your face more to the left. Bend that right knee more, up on the right toe, arch your back as much as you can. Good, lean your upper body towards me. Hold. Rotate your hips more to your left. Right there. Let's take both hands up. Right there. Right there. Chin up a little more. Chin up more. Take that right elbow. Take both elbows. Go to the other side. Right there. Now chin up. Right there. Hold. I want that right hand exactly where it is, but that left hand to go higher onto the head. Good, now chin up. Right there, perfect. Now arch as much as you can, right there. Good. Take both elbows to the other side more. Good, I want your face looking out this way, right there. Chin up. Bend that right knee. More. Good. When you bend, don't lean, just go up to the toe. Good, now arch. Right there. As much arch as you can. Right there. Turn your body to me. Good. Keep both hands up here, like that. Pop your hip to your left. Good. Chin. Like that. Now chin up. Like that. Take this arm, go across in the front. Like that. Perfect. Chin up more. Like that. That same exact thing once you drop your shoulders down. Right there, now chin up. Good, turn your face more to your left. Right there, chin up. Eyes closed. Right there, hold, hold. Hang tight. Turn your face a tiny bit more to your left. Right there, chin up. Bring your chin this way. Now chin up. Right there, right there. Eyes closed. The only tweak I want you to do on your right wrist, like that. Like that, perfect. Now chin up. One more, chin up more, right there. Turn the face more to the left. But plant that right foot down a little more, right there. Rotate, right there, right there. Come back a tiny bit. Chin down. Push that right shoulder more to the chin, right shoulder. Instead of going up, just push it forward. Good. Lean back, rotate chest to the left. A little more. Now bring the face back to me. Bigger arch. Like that, chin down a little more. Hold it. Rotate a little more. Right there, right there. Hold it, hold it. Pull more up, like that. Hold. Deep breath in. Right there, right there, right there. Good, I want your face, your eyes looking straight forward, right there. Good. Good, turn your body facing me again. Right there, hold it. Cross that leg, just like that. Now rotate chest to me, right there. Drop the shoulders down, right there. Let's take all the hair, push up. Right there. As big of an arch as you can. Chin down a little more. Low gap in the mouth. Big arch, lower back. Bring the shoulder this way, and then turn your face back this way. Right there, right there. Hold it, hold it. Bigger arch. When you arch, push the hips back more. It's all in the smaller back. What I don't want is I don't want your upper body to be further back than your hips. Your hips and your back should be equal. Like I'm only pushing in the smaller back. Right there. Better eyes. Good. Hold, hold, hold. Right there. One more. Relax. Good, rotate your whole body facing this way. Push all the hair to the other side. Or let's push all the hair behind. Yeah, yeah, like that. Then when you sit, both hands here. Yeah, like that. Push that shoulder forward. Take a half step back. Right there. Chin down a tiny bit more. Right there. Rotate shoulders more to your left. On that front shoulder, right there. Chin down a little more. Hold it. Hold. Don't move, don't move. Ready? Push that right shoulder forward a little more. Right there. Chin down a little more. How are you? Good, how are you? All right, chin up. Good, as much arch as you can in your back, like that. Chin up a little more. As big of an arch as you can. Extend both hands above your head. Bring the elbows in together, right there. Let's go hands flat onto the ground. Both hands flat. Down to your side. Like that, perfect. Take the left hand up to the side of the neck, right there. Let's go back to the top of the head. Right there. Good. And one more. Good. I lost my breath. I talk too much.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you learned a few things. I know I did. I can't wait to rewatch this again.
What's the word that you learned?
Just the lighting. Like
No. What's the Spanish?
The word.
The Puerto Rican.
Oh, my retention for information is not that great.
Chew.
Chupa
Me.
chupa mi verga.
On that note, see you next week.
See you guys.